everybody, it's Jennifer, and today we are cleaning up my house and decorating for spooky season. I'm so excited. This is when I live my best life. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up down below and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, I'm doing a giveaway at 200 subscribers. Let's get cleaning. The first thing I'm doing is cleaning off my table because well, that table stays very cluttered all the time. I'm just throwing away what needs to be thrown away. I'm undoing all of this stuff, getting Ellie's new bows situated. Look how freaking cute they are. Yeah, and that's her little trick-or-treating bag. I'm aware she's gonna be 10 months old, but that's not the point. People will give her goodies. Now I'm taking some cleaning spray. I'm pretty sure this is hydrogen peroxide spray, and I'm just wiping off my table with a dish sponge. All that stuff that's piled up on my table right now are my spooky decorations. I already have out fall, so I'm just adding what little bit of spooky I have, and then I'm gonna keep on buying spooky shit because I can't help myself. And like I say in almost every cleaning video, I have this little tray on our counter for James to put his wallet and keys and stuff in, and it is constantly overflowing, so I got a little Kroger bag out to put all his stuff in because he said it goes to his car in his work bag. So, continuing to clean my countertops off. And our air went out a week or two ago, and we just now got it fixed, and because we had window units in, they obviously weren't sealed all the way closed because we weren't keeping them. There's a bajillion freaking bugs in my house right now, like mosquitoes and stuff, so we're getting all of those off my countertop. God, I hate it so much when I sniffle. I'm sorry. That's an attractive angle. It's beautiful. I'm just getting paper towels to dry off my stove so it doesn't get all spotty and gross. And like always, this is always the grossest part of my kitchen because this is where I do all the prep for our meals. Always pull out your microwave and clean behind it because gross shit just accumulates back there. I'm just letting you know. Now, super fun stuff, I'm just loading my dishwasher. For some reason, James had Ellie's high chair table in here, and I took it out and just hand washed it really quickly so it could dry and could be put back on her high chair. And our little coffee station, the saddest thing happened later this day. I pulled out the coffee cart and didn't realize that our coffee pot was actually plugged in now, and I shattered the pot to my coffee maker, so that's always fun. I'm a little tore up about it. Now I'm just getting all of this crap off of this table. I'm getting everything that doesn't stay in the living room off of it. Now I'm just dusting. It's all pretty. James is putting the lid back on my nail box because somehow it fell off. Don't forget to subscribe. And I'm a slob, so right now I'm reorganizing all of our cords and trying to put them further away from laying out on the floor and kind of more on the table because my little Ella Belly started crawling, guys, and she's into everything now. Great stuff. Now, the little ottoman and tray on my ottoman get hella cluttered all the time. I'm getting all my planner stuff off of it, stuff for YouTube, putting my glasses back in the case. There's, for some reason, a bra on my table. You just don't know. Also, that's not a real pair, guys. Even if you thought it was, it's one of Ellie's toys. Now I'm just gonna fluff my couch cushions, refold my blanket, and put my throw pillows back on there correctly. I'm making James scoot the chair over. I have non-skid pads on the bottoms of my furniture, and it still slides everywhere on my floor. So the chair constantly moves, and if you guys have ever noticed the giant like white gashes in my wall behind the chair, it's from where the chair flies into the wall randomly. I don't know how to fix it. Getting all the Ellie Belly's toys out of the floor so I can vacuum. Oh, and I'm also putting up all my freaking shoes. I'm gonna do some carpet freshening powder. I love this stuff. Pretty much just putting it on this rug and my little entryway rug. Beautiful. Now we're gonna vacuum. Once again, I am, honest to God, now a true adult because I am still so excited about my vacuum cleaner. I think I've had it for like 3 weeks now. Oh my God, I freaking love it. It's the best thing in my life other than Ellie, to be honest. I keep vacuuming everything, so just vacuuming away here. I feel like I'm rambling in this voiceover, especially because I think in the last cleaning video, I didn't like talk about what I was doing. I just like did a hi guys and a bye guys. I'm so sorry. I'm rambling. Excuse me. And I do go ahead and turn on the hardwood like option on my vacuum cleaner and vacuum my bathroom. I'm vacuuming my little baseboards and under these tables really quickly. And also, because I can do my hardwood floors with it, I'm vacuuming in my kitchen really quickly. So much better than sweeping. I am so happy I have this vacuum cleaner. It's made cleaning so much easier on me. So much easier on me. And because I'm a psychopath, I'm going to vacuum off my ottoman because you can't really dust it off because it's like fabric, and I didn't want to sweep everything into the floor, so I'm also vacuuming out my tray because I'm a psychopath and can't stop. Lighting my candles because, oh guys, I finally made it to Bath & Body Works. I got my fall scents. I only bought 2 candles. I was very good, but they smell so good. And now I'm just mopping in my kitchen and my living room. Good times, good times. Look at Ellie, just a jumping away. She's so freaking cute. I didn't film myself like actually in my bathroom cleaning because that's a really small bathroom, 1, and 2, it just feels weird for you guys to watch me scrub my toilet, but rest assured, it happened. Now I'm just setting out some of my spooky shit. I got all of my decorations from the Dollar Tree. I think 1 or 2 of them are from Walmart, but most of them were $1, so now y'all are gonna laugh at me. My little marble floating shelf, I realized, is like leaning downward so my sign won't just sit on it. So I tried to put a nail underneath it to hold my shelf up level, and it didn't work. And then I asked James, and he's like, no, I'm not doing, like, we can't fix it. It's like my shelf is old and getting wobbly. So I end up just putting a nail in the wall and hanging that sign on it because both of those signs are from the Dollar Tree and they are definitely meant to be like hung up on a wall. So I just did it like that and made it look like it. I'm taking my little scarecrow off and putting my spooky scary spider bow on the wall, and I put my scarecrow on my little key hooks. And now we're in my filming room, which is a full-on mess. I start off by just redoing my background a little bit. I'm just adding one of the creepy cloth things. I got it at the Dollar Tree. It's just like creepy black fabric. I'm unfolding it and putting it over everything. putting all my stuff back on it. I didn't have a lot to add to my background to transition it into spooky season because I live in spooky season. I did get that Black Hat Society sign at the Dollar Tree. I was originally going to put it on my door, but I liked the bow better. And now we're cleaning because this is what you guys don't see in my normal videos. It's a mess. So that mirror goes to Ellie's dresser, which is not in here obviously because it's being painted. This is actually her nursery, if you guys missed that video. It's her nursery, but we're not done remodeling in here. Like, we have to put her dresser in before we finish the baseboard, so I'm filming in here for now. I'm just picking all of my dirty clothes up off the floor because I'm trash. Getting all of the actual trash off the floor. Good stuff. And I found a random fall decoration that I did not put out. And I turned on my ring light because I am blind and literally cannot see. So now I'm just putting up all my makeup, getting all the trash, folding up my towels, and I'm putting my reflector back down. I filmed a plan with me and I had my marble mat down as my background and I forgot to put this back, so I'm doing that now. Oh, good times. Good times. It's a mess in here. I am going to quickly vacuum in here just because powder and everything get on my carpet and it's gross. And here is the after, guys. So fresh, so clean, except I left my mop out. James is dozing off. Good times, good times. I'm so happy it's spooky season. Yay! So I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!